Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Becs. This is Improved Focus, a Dharana practice. I'm Becca, and today I'm in the Dominican Republic. Spinal Safety Awareness. This practice does not have any forward flexion or twisting. Please see the description below before starting. Now grab your mat, and let's find your space. Okay, so please join me in a seated position on your mat, a comfortable position for you. If you need help finding a position or modification, I have a video for that. Link is above, link is below. And when you're ready, please join me in this Dharana practice, which is the practice of focusing your mind on a particular singular point. And in this practice, we're going to be focusing on our sense of sound. So we're going to ignore all the other sounds around and focus on one. Also, we're going to ignore other senses, touch, sight, and focus only on sound. So the sounds you may have, the sounds I'm offering are, of course, the waves behind me. We might have a moto pass every now and then in the background. There's a cat running around, you might get some cat sounds, and there's plenty of birds as well. So there's different kinds of birds, including owls around, so you might hear some of those birds. And the idea is to isolate one of those sounds, follow it as long as you can. If you lose the sound, you'll have to pick up a new one if something drowns it out, or if it stops, find a new sound, and continue to follow that sound for as long as you can. So sitting up tall, close your eyes, and pick a sound. Remember to continue to follow a sound as long as you can still hear it. Don't listen for new ones, focus on the one you already have. Okay, now bring your focus back to my voice. Let's chant Om together 3 times. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently blink your eyes open. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this practice. I hope that it will improve your focus. Stay tuned this month. I have more practices for improving your focus leading up to a meditation. And if you haven't been to my blog yet, go check out my latest blog post. Link is below. I have just opened a Patreon account. So if you love what I do here, you want to connect a little more, check out Patreon. I will see you on Patreon, on Instagram, on my blog, and I will see you here next week. Have a beautiful day.